Although this small independent robot is a cleaning helper, it possesses human-like thinking and behavior. Along with this highly accurate robot, numerous other robots in the market are rapidly transforming how robots collaborate with humans in industrial environments. With the progress in robotics and machine learning, let's explore some of the remarkable AI advancements of recent times that will leave you amazed. Here's the US Army's new Super Robo Dog, a highly advanced robotic dog designed to assist the Army in various missions. It is equipped with sensors such as night vision and thermal imaging, and can carry a payload of up to 50 pounds. It can be armed with either non-lethal or lethal weapons in combat. Its advanced artificial intelligence allows it to make decisions in real time. It is a game changer for the US Army. Still, it is just the beginning of the future of military technology. Meet Atlas, the cutting-edge robot developed by Boston Dynamics. This impressive machine is designed to work in various environments, from factories and warehouses to disaster zones and even outer space. This robot has so many sensors, including LiDAR cameras and 4 sensitive pads. These sensors allow it to navigate and interact with its environment, whether walking on uneven terrain or gripping and manipulating objects. It's designed to work alongside humans, helping increase workplace efficiency and safety. With its advanced sensors and control systems, Atlas possesses incredible strength and agility, making it capable of easily lifting heavy objects, navigating obstacles, and even performing impressive acrobatic feats. However, today there's a growing list of popular robots performing a wide range of outstandingly impressive tasks in the industrial and manufacturing sectors. The context is KUKA's LBR IIWA. This innovative robot is designed to make any manufacturing process more efficient, accurate, and safe. The LBR IWA robot has advanced sensors and control systems, allowing it to move precisely and accurately. This means it can easily handle delicate tasks such as assembling small parts or packaging products. With its advanced safety systems, the robot can sense a human's proximity and adjust its movements accordingly. This means that you can increase your productivity without sacrificing safety. The LBR IWA robot is also highly versatile. It can be programmed to perform various tasks, from welding to painting to assembly. Here is the future of delivery. Nuro's R2 robot. This autonomous vehicle is designed to deliver packages and groceries right to your doorstep. The R2 is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and navigation technology, making it one of the market's safest and most efficient delivery robots. It can navigate through traffic and make deliveries in all weather conditions. With its compact size, the R2 can easily navigate tight city streets, making it perfect for deliveries in crowded urban areas. So if you're tired of waiting for packages and groceries to be delivered by your hardly punctual delivery guy, the R2 robot from Nuro may be the solution you've been looking for. The iRobot BravaJet is a smart mopping robot that uses advanced technology to easily clean floors. It uses a mapping system to create a map of the home, detect and avoid obstacles, and adjust its cleaning method and water flow to suit its cleaning surface. It also features Imprint Smart Mapping, which allows users to set cleaning schedules and customize cleaning areas. This means they can tell the robot to clean specific rooms at specific times or set up virtual boundaries to keep it out of certain areas. Have you ever heard of the Handle robot from Boston Dynamics? With its advanced gripper and sensor technology, this super advanced robot can easily pick up and move objects weighing up to 50 pounds. The Handle is a unique robot that can move in ways no other robot can. It can walk on 2 legs, roll on wheels, and even jump over obstacles. This is thanks to its sophisticated sensors and algorithms that constantly monitor its position and adjust as needed. The Handle also can navigate its environment using its cameras and sensors. It can map out its surroundings, identify obstacles, and plan its path to reach its destination. This allows it to move through complex environments with ease, and it's even able to navigate stairs and uneven terrain. Also, thanks to its dynamic balance and agility, this robot can easily be operated from anywhere, making it perfect for warehouse and manufacturing tasks. But it doesn't stop here for Boston Dynamics. This robotics company is pushing the limits in the field of robotics. and its latest AI robot is even more advanced. iRobot's Terra is an AI-enabled robot revolutionizing lawn mowing. It has a state-of-the-art navigation system, a powerful cutting system, and a large capacity battery. It is perfect for homeowners looking for a way to take care of their lawn without spending hours doing it themselves. Terra can be set up in just a few minutes and can be used to control the robot and schedule mowing times from a smartphone. Here is Einstein, an advanced humanoid robot from Hanson Robotics designed to mimic human emotions and expressions. He is powered by Hanson Robotics' proprietary AI software, which allows him to understand and respond to natural language and carry on a conversation. Modeled after the famous physicist Albert Einstein, he is designed to be a revolutionary new tool for research and education. He is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence technology that allows him to understand and respond to human emotions and expressions, and a range of sensors and cameras that allow him to detect and respond to his surroundings. He is also versatile, intuitive, and incredibly fun to be around. Next is Dactyl, an AI-enabled robotic hand developed by OpenAI. It uses reinforcement learning to learn how to manipulate objects through a trial and error, just like a human would. It has 26 degrees of freedom or joints that allow it to move its fingers and wrists in a human-like way. It can also learn new tasks quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable tool for various applications. Dactyl is a great example of how advanced technology can help us solve real-world problems. Here's Toyota's THR3, an AI robot capable of mirroring a human operator's movement in real time. It is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and actuators that work together to create seamless and natural movement. It also has a master maneuvering system that combines sensors and cameras to create a realistic 3D view of the robot's surroundings. It can walk on two legs, bend and twist at the waist, moves its arms and hands, and pick up and hold objects. Meet ClearPath Robotics Husky, a rugged, all-terrain robotic platform perfect for various applications. It is equipped with a range of sensors including LiDAR, stereo cameras, and GPS, allowing it to navigate and map its environment precisely. It is also highly customizable and can be configured to suit various applications such as mapping, inspection, and surveying. ClearPath Robotics offers a variety of software and hardware options for the robot, making it easy to customize the robot to suit specific needs. ABB's Yumi robot is a revolutionary new robot designed to work alongside humans in a collaborative environment. It has a dual-arm design that allows it to mimic the movements of a human worker and is equipped with sensors to detect and avoid collisions with people or objects. It is also versatile and can be programmed to perform various tasks, from simple pick-and-place operations to more complex assembly tasks. The robot can learn new tasks quickly and easily with advanced software, making it perfect for various industries. UB-Tech's Alpha Robot is an advanced robot designed to bring the future of robotics to your home. It is equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, allowing it to navigate and interact with its environment. It also has a built-in voice recognition system, allowing you to control it. The Alpha Robot is perfect for tasks such as playing games, helping with homework, or keeping an eye on your home while you're away. While all of these robots are fun and great and are revolutionizing how we live, work, and play, the most advanced humanoid robot in the world has recently sent shockwaves across the entire tech industry. Sophia is a humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics and has been making waves in the tech world since her debut in 2016. Sophia is an impressive feat of engineering that can recognize faces, hold conversations, and make facial expressions. She has been granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia, the first robot to ever receive such an honor. However, it is important to remember that Sophia is just a robot and cannot think or feel emotions like a human does. Sophia's creators have always been transparent about their robot's limitations. They stated that her main purpose is to assist and enhance human lives, not harm them. The question of whether super advanced and autonomous robots could threaten humanity is important to consider as we continue to develop this technology. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. Share all of your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.